Hi everyone, this week we are at the Distillery District. The Distillery District is a commercial and residential district in Toronto, Canada. The site is located east of downtown. It contains numerous cafes, restaurants, shops, and heritage buildings. The Distillery District has existing historic buildings constructed between 1859 and 1927. The Gooderham and Worcester Distillery was founded in 1832 and by the late 1860s was the largest distillery in the world, once providing over 2 million US gallons of whiskey, mostly for export on the world market. The company was bought out in later years by rival Hiram Walker, another large Canadian distiller. Since 1990, the site has served as a location for over 800 film and television productions. The Distillery District was designed as a National Historic Site and has been protected under the Ontario Heritage Act since 1976. It was listed by National Geographic magazine as a top pick in Canada for travelers. The site has a love sign where you can place your luck love forever. What you will find at the Distillery District is a dramatic fusion, old and new, an inspired blend of Victorian industrial architecture and stunning 21st century design and creativity. The site is open 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday to Wednesday, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Thursday to Saturday, 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. on Sunday. Thank you for watching. To continue watching more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe us.